How are tailings managed and stored safely? So many different companies use many different solutions to store their tailings and to manage their tailings volumes. It all comes down to trying their absolute best to get as much water as possible out of the tailings, and there's a few main strategies. So one of the biggest step changes to tailings treatment performance over the last couple of decades has been inline flocculation. That is when a polymer is dosed into a tailings flowing through a pipeline, and that polymer's role is to collect those clays into larger and larger aggregates or flocks, and that allows them to settle more easily once they end up outside of the pipeline when they're deposited. Another strategy that some companies will use is a co-mix, so mixing tailings with a coarser sand. The goal here is to hide those clay particles in between the spaces of the coarser sand grains, and that allows for a more stable, structured material fabric that also allows water to pass through. So some companies have had a lot of success using that strategy. Other strategies include things like thickeners, so you can imagine a thickener as kind of like a water treatment process, which is a giant tank that's constantly being mixed. Reagents are added in to help those clays settle out, and clear water is usually able to be withdrawn from the top, and the coarser settled solids are taken from the bottom. Some other companies are also using centrifuge, so imagine a giant washing machine that is spinning and swishing the water out, capturing all those solids